Hey everyone, welcome back to Jay's English class. You guys doing okay? Everybody having fun? Are you having fun right now? Right? 今楽しいことをしている? I hope so. So today's topic is it's fun. It's fun. Okay? It's fun. 楽しいです. Okay? 楽しいです. Look over here, little mini Jay. He says, it's good. It's fun. He's having fun, I think. So, have fun, right? 楽しい in English could be a little difficult, all right? So let's check it out here. I had fun with her last night. Ooh, what did I do? I don't know. Let's find out. In this case, fun is a noun, 名詞. Okay? Have fun, 過去形, had fun, all right? Kissing her is fun. Ooh, kissing her is fun. Ooh. Okay. And this time, it's an adjective. Kissing her is fun. It's a fun thing to do. I hope so. Another thing you could say for 楽しみ, we had a good time. We had a good time at the party. We had a good time. So have and a good time together is like it was fun. The party was fun. Same thing, okay? That TV show is funny. Funny. Funny's a little different. Remember, funny は面白い. Ha ha ha. Ha ha. All right. Be careful. Funny. 違うね. Different meaning. Fun and funny are different. I'm fun. We don't say, all right? I'm fun. Would be strange. More like, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. Having it right now, right? I'm having fun. This is fun, okay? I want to enjoy looking at the stars. これもダメ. We won't say this. In the future, we don't say, I want to enjoy, I want to have fun. We don't say because we don't know. We don't know. 知らない. 未来知らない. So I want to look at the stars, okay. But, 楽しみ, 英語であります. It's, I'm looking forward to the party. Also, you can do a verb. 動詞もできる. I'm looking forward to going to the party. So, to けど、現在進行形 okay, alright? I'm looking forward to going to the party. Remember, in English, fun. 楽しい, 楽しむ, right? Have fun, 名詞 is fun, 形容詞とか have a good time. Other words you can use. Enjoy, 動詞. Enjoyable, 形容詞. でも本当に英語ではあんまり使えない. Right? We don't use it very much. Fun よりはあんまり使えない. いいけど, right? I enjoy watching movies, but, right? I like watching movies. I have fun watching movies とか. Okay. The party was enjoyable. まあ、文法でけど, the party was fun, or I had a good time at the party, is a lot more natural that way, okay? All right, guys, so I hope this helps you with your little fun there. Did you have fun watching this video? I hope you did. All right, guys, I'll see you next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.